In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can collect signups or registrations right on your page in just a few clicks. The quickest way to do this in Squarespace is by adding a newsletter block and tailoring its text so it works like a registration form. Even if you're not planning to send email campaigns right away, this block is perfect for gathering names and email addresses for events, workshops, or waitlists. Start by opening the page in the Squarespace editor where you want your form to appear. Move your cursor to the spot on the page where the form should live and click Add Block. You'll see the block library open. In the search field at the top, type the word New. This narrows the list and brings the newsletter block right to the top, so you don't have to scroll around looking for it. Click Newsletter to add it to your page. Squarespace will place the block where your cursor was, and you'll see a default sign-up design. To customize it, hover over the block and click the small pencil icon. That opens the editing panel where you control the content and the way the form is presented. First, update the title so it clearly reflects the action you want people to take. Instead of leaving a generic prompt, change it to something direct and helpful like register for the event, sign up to attend, or join the workshop. Keep it short and action focused. A clear title sets expectations and improves conversions. Next, edit the description text beneath the title. Use this space to explain exactly what someone is registering for and what happens after they submit the form. For example, mention the date or topic of your event, whether registrants will receive a confirmation email, and any important details they should know. It's also a good place to reassure people that you respect their inbox and that their information will be handled responsibly. If you have specific eligibility notes, capacity limits, or timelines, include them here so there are no surprises. As you write, aim for friendly, plain language and keep paragraphs brief to make the block easy to scan. If your page has a particular voice or brand style, match that tone for consistency. When you're happy with the wording, review the placement of the block on your page and make sure it fits naturally with the surrounding content. That's it. You've added a streamlined registration form using the newsletter block and customized the title and description so visitors know exactly what to do.